Which of the following graphs cannot be a speed time graph? Speed is constant over time. So at 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 20 minutes, traveling at the same speed. This is possible. Speed increases slowly and then hits a constant. I'm at 0 kilometers per hour, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 20 kilometers per hour speed I maintain throughout. This appears to be possible. Speed reduces and then increases. Imagine going through a sharp curve. You are coming into the curve, you slow down, you slow down, you slow down, you slow down really well, complete that curve and then start going fast. Speed falls and then increases. This is also possible. Your speed is constant, then jumps up and then increases. It can continue to increase. It can be constant, but it cannot go from 5 kilometers per hour to 15 kilometers per hour in 0 seconds. There cannot be a vertical climb. You cannot have a vertical climb or a backward climb. It's not like you cannot have a vehicle that's traveling at 5 kilometers per hour and then seamlessly traveling at 15 kilometers per hour. It needs to have time to go from 5 to 15. The speed graph, speed and time. You cannot have a graph like this, where there are two possible speeds for the same time. That's impossible. You cannot have a graph going back. We cannot have a graph which goes vertically up. That means I have multiple speeds at the same time slot. At a time of say 40 seconds, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 speeds, 7 different speeds. It jumps from this speed to that speed. If it jumps, it will jump in a minuscule point of time. Some amount of time is used. It's not 0 seconds where it jumps from one speed to another speed. Therefore, this is wrong.